Thanks for joining again. If you're new to the channel, I'm gone in 60. As you know, after a long wait, 1 year and 11 months, the Bronco finally came in. Now, there is a secret that I've been holding. I've been dying to tell you guys for about 7 months. We'll get into that shortly, but let's stop everything. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, like and share the video. Here it is, the Bronco I've been waiting almost 2 years for. Hardtop, Outer Banks. And it is finally here. So not only did this get pushed to a 22 model because of the hardtop, but it was on ship hold for almost 6 months. That's right, it got built January the 14th of this year, and I just now received it almost 6 months later. But what about that secret that I told you I've been holding in for 7 months? Well, I ordered a second Bronco, a soft top. And it came in last December. That's right, due to the hardtop being pushed to a 22 model and the chip hold that lasted almost 6 months, my second Bronco came in 7 months before my first. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. This is the elusive Outer Banks that I've been waiting for 1 year and 11 months. And this is the Bronco that we received in December of last year. I've been keeping it a secret. I've been trying to keep it off social media. But as you can see, we've already done some modifications to it. Paint protection film, wheels and tires, ceramic tint, a few other things on the interior. But they are actually clones. So I've already switched the top. So the soft top is now a hard top version, and the hardtop Bronco is now a soft top Bronco. But my reveal for his and hers Broncos was blown out of the water. And also, this is the difference that a wheel and tire combo can make. So this is the factory Outer Banks wheel, and this is the wheel and tire combo I went with mine. As you can see, it makes a big difference, especially the stance. If you look on this one, the wheels was a little bit further out than the wheel well. I really didn't like the way the wheel was stuck inside on the factory wheel. I think it's a good looking wheel, but it needed to be wider and a more aggressive offset. So let me know in the comments what you think about the new wheel and tire setup. So now that the big secret is out, we have about 7 months worth of Bronco content, also my Ford Maverick content, and also the Bullet content. So that should be enough to keep everyone happy, right? Don't forget, help the channel out and subscribe, and like, share, and I'm gone in 60. We'll be seeing you soon, definitely.